Hare Krishna everyone. Myself Arvind, and today our topic is knowing the number from Prachi Maths book for 7th grade. Let's start. We will start with first chapter's exercise 1.1. Question number 1 is multiple choice question, which we called MCQ, and the first question is the value of -3, absolute value -3 plus absolute value -2 plus absolute value -6 is. सो इस क्वेश्चन में हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना है -3 -2 -6 जो कि तीनों एब्सोल्यूट साइन के अंदर हैं. इनको हमें सॉल्व करके 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं एंड वी हैव टू टिक द राइट वन. सो लेट्स सॉल्व इट. सॉल्यूशन हम यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. एब्सोल्यूट -3 की वैल्यू 3 ही होगी. हम जानते हैं कि एब्सोल्यूट के अंदर चाहे प्लस का साइन हो चाहे माइनस का हो, जब हम उसकी एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू निकालते हैं तब वो प्लस का ही रहता है. ऐसे ही -2 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 2 ही हो जाएगी, और -6 की वैल्यू 6 ही हो जाएगी. ये हमारा फर्स्ट जो वो है, हम उसको सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पे. तो तीनों प्लस के आ गए हैं, तो अब इसकी वैल्यू 3 हो गई है. प्लस का साइन था इन दोनों के बीच में, प्लस लगाएंगे, फिर 2 लिखेंगे क्योंकि एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू -2 की 2 थी, और फिर जो 6 है -6 है उसकी वैल्यू भी 6 आ गई थी और बीच में प्लस का चिन्ह है, तो हम यहाँ पर 6 लिख देंगे. और अब हमें इन तीनों को जोड़ देना है. 3 and 2 5, 5 और 6 11. सो आवर आंसर इज 11. सो वेयर इज 11? A -7 5 -1 D 11. सो आवर D आंसर विल बी राइट. Second question is the value of -2 square into -3 का क्यूब into -1 का क्यूब. ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं हमें 4 एंड वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट. सो व्हाट इज -2 square? We can write it like -2 multiply -2. So what will we get? We will multiply number by number. 2 2 ja 4 and sign by sign, minus minus plus. I already have sent you a video in which I have taught you sign rule for integers, so you can see that video and you can learn that what is the sign rule for multiplication. So -2 square is equal to 4. What is next? -3 cube. So -3 cube, it means -3 multiply by -3 multiply by -3. Base is 3 and power is 3. It means -3 will be multiplied by 3 times by itself. So what will we get? We will multiply number by number. 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27, and we will multiply sign by sign, minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So we will get -27, and next one is -1 की power cube 3. So it means we have to multiply -1 3 times. -1 multiply -1 multiply -1. What will we get? We will multiply number by number. 1 1 ja 1, 1 ja 1, and sign minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So multiplying these numbers we got 4 -27 and -1. Now we have to multiply these number also. 4 multiply by -27 multiply by -1. So what we will get? 27 1 ja 27, 27 4 ja 108, and plus minus 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 plus. So plus 108 answer. Where is it? First is not 108, second is also not 108, third one is 108 plus. So our C answer will be right, 108. Understand? Our second question in this exercise is find the sum of following, and first one is -11 and -11. So we have to find out its sum. So how we will add plus in the place of and, like -11 plus, because we have to find sum. -11 plus -11. Understand? Now how we will solve it? -11 plus minus, we know plus minus minus 11, and both numbers are in minus. So what we will do here? We will plus them, because whenever sign rule for addition says that whenever both signs are same, we plus them, but the sign which will come in answer will be minus. So minus, and 11 11 22. So minus 22 will be its answer. Now move on to second question. What we will do, we will put plus in place of and. Minus 6 plus 6. So we have one minus sign here and one plus sign here. So whenever there are different sign, what we will do, we will minus them. So 6 minus 6 we will get 0, and 0 is neither positive neither negative. So our answer will be 0. Move on to our third question, which is subtract. And first one is minus 7 from minus 3. It means हमें minus 3 से minus 7 को subtract करना है. So we will write minus 3 first. Minus 3. Now we have to subtract. So we will put minus sign, and now we have to subtract minus 7. So we will write minus 7 here. सिंपल समझो, हमें माइनस 3 से माइनस 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. तो हम माइनस 3 से माइनस कर रहे हैं माइनस 7 को. नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, माइनस 3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 7. नाउ 1 इज माइनस एंड 1 इज प्लस. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, माइनस प्लस माइनस. 7 में से 3 गए 4, एंड विच साइन विल बी हियर, प्लस और माइनस, whichever number will be greater. So which one is greater, 3 or 7? We know that 7 is greater and 7 has plus in front of it, so 4 will be of plus. Understand? Like this we will solve second question. From 6 we have to subtract minus 6 from 6. So it means this plus 6 will be here, and now we are subtracting it. So minus, what are we subtracting? Minus 6. So we will put minus 6 here. Now 6 minus minus plus 6. So 6 and 6 we have to add them. 6 6 12. So our answer will be 12. I hope you understand this question. Our fourth question is simplify, and it has two parts, first and second. Let's solve the first one. It has absolute value. So what is the absolute value of minus 5? 5 of plus, and plus, what is the absolute value of 5 plus 5? It is also 5. So what we will get here, 5 plus 5, 10. As we know that absolute value will be always on positive. So that's why minus 5 is also 5 and plus 5 is also 5. So 5 and 5, 10. Let's move on to second one. Here the minus sign is separate, so we will put minus sign here, and absolute value of plus 5 will be 5, then plus sign, and absolute value of 5 will be 5. Now one is minus, another is plus. So minus plus minus, 5 and 5, 0. When we will subtract 5 from 5, we will get answer 0. Move on to fifth question, which is also simplify, and we have to simplify minus 5 की power 6. It means we have to multiply minus 5 into minus 5 6 times, into minus 5 3 4 5 6. Now what we will get, we will multiply 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125 5 ja 625, 625 5 ja 3125, and 3125 5 ja 15,625, which we have already written here. And now what sign will be here? So I will tell you a simple technique so you can understand which sign will come here. We don't have to multiply again and again all the signs. So what is the technique? That if our power is in even number, then answer will be plus, and if our power will be on odd number, then sign will be minus. So here we have 6 in power and 6 is even, so answer will be plus. And now move on to next question. What we have here? Even, odd. We have only one odd power. So what we will get? Minus 3 की power 2, minus 3 multiply minus 3. Now multiply minus 2, multiply minus 2, 2 power. multiply minus 1, multiply minus 1, multiply minus 1. 3 3 ja 9, obvious because it is even. Multiply 2 2 ja 4, plus because it is plus, and 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1, but it will be minus because power is odd number. So 9 4 ja 36, 36 1 ja 36, plus 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 minus minus. So minus 36 will be our answer. Our next question is also simplify, and that we will simplify by BODMAS rule. And we know that in BODMAS rule, first of all we will solve bracket, line bracket, or we can call it bar bracket, then small, then curly, and finally big bracket. And our sign will be simplified by divide, multiply, plus and minus in this sequence. So first of all, do we have here bar bracket? Yes, we have 11 minus 14. So we will solve only this, and everything will be like that only, like we will write same things. We will only solve bar bracket. 3 plus what we will get, plus 11 minus 14. So plus minus minus, we will minus 4, subtract 4, 11 from 14. So 14 में से 11 3, and that also minus because 14 is bigger, so minus 3. Now bar bracket is done, bar bracket is done. So what we will solve now? Small bracket. Small bracket, we have one small bracket here and we have one small bracket here. So first we will solve this. We have to subtract 5 from 11, so we will get 6. Difference is 6, and everything will be same, 12 plus 3. Now here we have to only multiply our signs, so plus minus minus 3. Now our small bracket is also done. Now we will solve curly bracket. 6 multiply big bracket 12. Now in curly bracket we have 1 plus 3 and 1 minus 3. So number is same and signs are different. It means we will get 0. And now our curly bracket is also done. Now we will solve big bracket, and 6 multiply, we have to add in big bracket, and 12 plus 0 will be 12. So our answer will be 12 6 is 72. This is second question which I have attempt here to make you understand, because it contains bar bracket, and first one you have to do by yourself. And still if you didn't understand this, then you can message me. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends and with your classmates. Please subscribe my channel Street Maths for more videos of 6th, 7th and 8th grade.